In this video, you will listen to a simple Bible story in French and English. This method will help you improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and understanding. Bible stories are easy to follow and full of powerful lessons, so they are perfect for language learning. Make sure you repeat after me, take notes, and enjoy the story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more French lessons and inspiring stories.
Histoire d'Esther. Esther est une jeune femme. Elle vit en Perse. Le roi cherche une nouvelle reine. Il choisit Esther parce qu'elle est gentille et belle. Un homme méchant, Haman, veut faire du mal au peuple d'Esther. Esther a peur, mais elle va parler au roi. Elle dit la vérité. Le roi écoute Esther. Il protège son peuple. Esther devient une héroïne. Elle est courageuse et généreuse.
Story of Esther. Esther is a young woman. She lives in Persia. The king wants a new queen. He chooses Esther because she is kind and beautiful. A bad man, Haman, wants to hurt Esther's people. Esther is afraid, but she goes to speak to the king. She tells the truth. The king listens to Esther. He protects her people. Esther becomes a hero. She is brave and caring.
Histoire d'Abraham. Abraham est un homme bon. Dieu lui parle. Dieu dit à Abraham de quitter sa maison. Abraham écoute et voyage vers une nouvelle terre. Dieu fait une promesse à Abraham. Il dit qu'Abraham aura beaucoup d'enfants. Abraham croit Dieu, même s'il est vieux. Abraham et sa femme Sarah attendent longtemps. Un jour, Dieu leur donne un fils. Il s'appelle Isaac. Abraham est heureux et remercie Dieu. Abraham fait confiance à Dieu de tout son cœur.
Story of Abraham. Abraham is a good man. God speaks to him. God tells Abraham to leave his home. Abraham listens and travels to a new land. God makes a promise to Abraham. He says Abraham will have many children. Abraham believes God, even if he is old. Abraham and his wife Sarah wait many years. One day, God gives them a son. His name is Isaac. Abraham is happy, and thanks God. Abraham trusts God with all his heart. Story of Joseph. Joseph is a young man. He has 11 brothers. His father loves him very much. His father gives him a beautiful coat with many colors. Joseph has dreams. In his dreams he becomes a great leader. His brothers become jealous. One day, they sell Joseph to traders. Joseph goes to Egypt. Life is difficult, but God is with him.
Histoire de Joseph. Joseph est un jeune homme. Il a 11 frères. Son père l'aime beaucoup. Son père lui donne un beau manteau de plusieurs couleurs. Joseph fait des rêves. Dans ses rêves, il devient un grand chef. Ses frères sont jaloux. Un jour, ils vendent Joseph à des marchands. Joseph part en Égypte. La vie est difficile, mais Dieu est avec lui.
Later, Joseph helps the king of Egypt. He explains the king's dreams. The king makes Joseph a leader in Egypt. There is no food in Joseph's country. His brothers come to Egypt to buy food. They do not know Joseph is the leader. Joseph forgives them. He helps them and loves them. Joseph shows kindness and faith.
Plus tard, Joseph aide le roi d'Égypte. Il explique les rêves du roi. Le roi fait de Joseph un chef en Égypte. Il n'y a pas de nourriture dans le pays de Joseph. Ses frères viennent en Égypte pour acheter à manger. Ils ne savent pas que Joseph est le chef. Joseph leur pardonne. Il les aide et les aime. Joseph montre la bonté et la foi. Histoire de Marie. Marie est une jeune femme. Elle vit dans une ville appelée Nazareth. Marie aime Dieu et lui obéit. Un jour, un ange lui rend visite. L'ange dit, « N'aie pas peur. Dieu t'a choisi. » L'ange dit à Marie qu'elle aura un bébé. Le bébé sera Jésus, le Fils de Dieu. Marie dit, « Oui, à Dieu. » Marie voyage à Bethléem avec Joseph. Il n'y a pas de place dans l'auberge. Marie donne naissance à Jésus dans une étable. Marie s'occupe de Jésus avec amour. Elle le voit grandir. Marie est douce, humble et fidèle.
Story of Mary. Mary is a young woman. She lives in a town called Nazareth. Mary loves God and obeys him. One day, an angel visits her. The angel says, "Do not be afraid. God has chosen you." The angel tells Mary she will have a baby. The baby will be Jesus, the Son of God. Mary says yes to God. Mary travels to Bethlehem with Joseph. There is no room in the inn. Mary gives birth to Jesus in a stable. Mary takes care of Jesus with love. She watches him grow. Mary is kind, humble, and faithful. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope the French and English Bible story helped you learn new words and practice your pronunciation. Keep watching, repeating, and learning step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, click the like button, and leave your favorite new French word in the comments. See you in the next French lesson.